Ayan. Pre, saglit.
Kasi pinabako na sila kasi.
Parehas kayong E2. E2 yan, parehas kayong E2. Ang next game, ayan, team Walang Umay versus Amir Bawas ang ating next game for tonight. Ayan, we have 2 games. Ayan.
Mapasaya natin sila, ayos na yun.
At syempre po, mamimigay po tayo ng giveaway. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Commissioner June Pantaleon. I officially declare our second opening open. Okay, go. Yung bata. Kaninong tatay ito? Ayan.
Mamaya, kukunin natin yung lobo mamaya. Bibigyan natin lobo.
Okay, good luck both teams. Ayun, Dabigan. Napataas ang talon. Ayan ang Kabigon, pasok sa Concepcion. Back to Kabigon. Ayun na. Sumablay, rebound, put back, erase. Ayun, Sablay, Galsim. Pass to Dominguez. And Dominguez doing the ball. Pass to Galsim. Galsim. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Back to Galsim. Portrait. Sumablay. And Kabigon. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Erase. Galsim. Ayun na. And lilipad. Malakas. Ayun na. Still coming from Dominguez. Passing Zigne. And Zigne tinawid. Ayun na. Reyes open. Portrait. Bang! Reyes! Portrait. Kabigon. 12 to shoot. Ayun, angat. Sablay. Rebound. Kabigan. Ayun na. Ayun, put back is good for 2. Ayun, Reyes. Fake. Pass to Reyes. Another 3 on the way. Sumablay. Dominguez. Angat. Sablay. And Kabigon dribbling the ball. Kabigon angat. At meron ng foul ni Dinogue, number 22, Galsim. First personal foul, first team foul. And 2 free throws for Kabigon, number 23. Nang tira sa blind, last throw. Ayun, basket. I-score, deadlock at 3. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun, muli po, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood sa ating second opening. Ayun, still, Tabigan and Kabigon dribbling the ball. And Concepcion. Angat, basket count. Oh yes, pass to Galsim. 4-10 to shoot. Ayun. Good ball yan. Ayun na, Perilla. 5. And step back 3 on the way. Sablay. And number 28 for the rebound. Pass to Kabigon, number 23. Kabigon. Angat. Sablay. Ayun na. And Zigne. Pass to Galsim. Galsim left-handed lane is good for 2. Coming from Galsim. And I denoed. Ayun na, bubukol ng 3. Oy, pasa pala yun. Sumablay and Soriano. Sablay, Dominguez for the rebound and Dominguez leaving the ball. Dominguez pa rin. Angat. At meron foul na itinawag kay number 31. Soriano first personal foul.
Lalo de.
First team foul. Two free throws for Michael Dominguez. O nang tira pasok. Last throw. Ayun, maraming salamat. They score 7-5 in favor of Jupali. 14 to shoot. Ayun. Oo, miscue ang tawag doon, miscue.
Miss Q&A. Laro pala si... Aha.
Ayun ang Reyes. Pull up jumper. Sumablay Reyes for the rebound. And Reyes pass to Gazim. Ayun, still. And Cabrigon. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Dominguez. Number 17. First personal foul. Substitution. Sino? Christian. And Gazim.
George! Kuhang-kuha!
And substitution. Roque number 12, Babian number 69. Ayan na, Roque. Bubukol ng dress. On, basket count. Number 28, meron foul. May dinawag kay number 31. Soriano, second personal foul. Substitution. Nang dira Sablay coming from Maliksi. Last throw.
Imo nga nila isod. Pwede yung imo.
Isa pang Chicken Joy. Ano yun?
Ika-open po pala yun.
Hintayin nyo. Release the ball muna tayo. Release the ball. Sa mga nagugutom po, meron pong Jollibee with Chowking ngayong Maliksi basket. Pasok ang isang free throw. Meron po tayong Jollibee with Chowking. Meron din pagkain dito sa kabila kay Nonoy Dones. At siyempre yung special halo-halo with barbecue. Ayun na, bubul ng tres sa blind. Signe for the rebound. Ayun na, pass break play. Maliksi. Substitution, palit. Reyes out. Ayun na, number 23, Abigon. Paso Roque. 4-10 to shoot. 10. And Cabigon, the running shot. Sumablay. Santos. Reading the ball. Ayun lang. Butterfinger.
Alisin mo nga tuloy. Alisin mo nga to. Hindi ka mo pwede dyan.
Sadik, mapihin na. Asan hada, kura, ada na par, ijihina, asan iglis. Entay na. Wala yung tagudam, pipadi oh. Pipadi. Ada katir kursi oh. Katir kursi.
Ayun, time out. Dancing.
Halo-halo ka dyan? Ha? Halo-halo ka o gutom ka? Baka magutom? Baka gutom mo?
Kulang isa.
Oo, nasa E. Ang category niyan E2. Tapos maglalaro ka sa E. Nangano kayo? Hindi mo problema yun. Sinabi ko na sa kanila yan. Hindi ka pwede maglaro sa E. Kung gusto nila, itataas natin yung bracket nyo. O, gusto nila sa E. Tapos maglalaro kaya. Hindi tayo pwede dun.
Ayun na nga Sablay, and number 24 erase. And Sumablay, tapikan. Uy, tapon sa baw.
Ano yung manager mo? Sinabi mo ng manager yan. Naka-line up ka. Yung sinabi nga na tawa nga ng tawa yan. Nakita nga pangalan mo sa line up. Hindi ko pa pwede sa ito kung maglalaro ka siya. Oo. Hindi na mga paglaroan mo. Eh kaya tama pa. Eh kaso nga. Yung nakakaan ko nga parang wala rin ang ulan.
Oo. 8. Benegario for 3. Sumablay. Oo. At meron ng foul na tinawag. Ay, number 69. Fabian. First personal foul.
Dilaw ng sisi. Ng sarbo.
Ayun na, Benegario. 10. For 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Oo. Tapon sa baw.
Hindi si Odomini yan. Odomini yan, hindi si Jollibee.
Ayun na. Roque. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. De Castro. 10. De Castro open. Sumablay. Rebound. Maliksi. Maliski. Pass to Dones. At meron ng foul na tinawag kay number 12. Roque. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ayun na, Dones. Pass is Chile. Open. And Santos. Angat, Sablay, rebound. Gawa ng bola, you know. And Dones! Sablay! Uy! At meron tayong putback coming from Santos. Basket count. Foul number 11. Di maiwan. Penalty na yan. Substitution. 69 out. Fabian. Penalty na sila. Penalty. Bonus shot yan. Bonus shot. Ayan, Sablay. And dribbling the ball. Time from Roque. And Roque angat, Sablay. Put back, Sablay. Insigne na. Dones dribbling the ball. And Dones back pass to Maliksi. Pass to Santos. Open. Basket count. Gary Brown. Santos. Put zero. Biglang tumangkad si Arias. Iba talaga pag may vitamins, sumatangkad. Ayun na, De Castro. Ayun, tapikan, ayun na. And Dones, angat, Sumablay. And number 11, open, pupukol ng Dras. Sablay, and Insigne. Pass break play, ayun na. Maliksi, dribbling the ball, 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, Santos to Dones. And Dones driving to the basket. Basket count going from Dones with 2. 1 minute and 45 seconds, you know. Substitution, palit. Score 16-8. Ayun na. Dones open for three. Kapos. And Signe dudukot. Oy! Basket down. Ganda may Signe. For two. 18-8. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining.
Highlights there.
Kabigon, 14 to shoot. Pubukol ng trash. Bang! Number 11. Di ba iwat for three? Ayun na. Dones. 14 to shoot. 10. Dones. Sablay. Rebound. Kabigon. And paso De Castro. De Castro back pass. Ayun na. And one. Oh. Basket count. Foul number 27. Benicario. Substitution.
Go, Jordan! Go!
Isa yan. Isa yan. Walang shoot. Labas kayo dyan. Walang shoot.
Hindi, basket yun. Kaya na improper uniform.
Technical for improper uniform. Basket. Ngayon, yung huli niya, bonus shot yan. Meron ng rebounder yan. Bonus shot yung huli. Bonus shot. Ayun, Sablay, rebound, Dones. And Dones in the ball. Dones pa rin. Left-handed lane is good for two. Coming from Dones. 40 segundos. Double dribble lang. Nakahang yung bola. 35.3 seconds remaining sa ating game block. This is our first quarter. And Benicario doing the ball. Paso Arcaya. Back to Benicario. Paso Maliksi. Open for three. Bang! Maliksi for three. And this sequence shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. And De Castro doing the ball. De Castro. Ayun. 14. Ayun. Ganda ng assist. At merong foul. Ay tinawag kay number 21. 21. Sino 21 doon? Arcaya. First personal foul. 9.9 seconds remaining. And De Castro shooting two. Nantira busok. Last draw.
Ganda naman po niyo dyan,
Ayun na. 8 seconds. 6. 4. At merong foul na itinawag. Okay, number 22. Number 22 ang foul. 2 free throws. Penalty yan.
Aha, nakakapi na.
Ayun na, Reyes. Paso sa arte. Back to Reyes. Pass to Argaya. Back to Reyes. Ayun na, Santos. Ahoy, at meron ng foul na tinawag kay De Castro. Number 24, second personal foul. Isa pa lang. Isa pa lang. De La Cruz yung isa. And 2 free throws for Santos. Nang tinubusok. Last throw. Basket coming from Santos. He scored 26-15, 11-point lead, and De Castro dribbling the ball. For 10 to shoot. 10. De Castro. Angat, pull-up, jumper, Sablay, and Arcaya, yun na. And Dones will do. Monte pang di umabot. Monte pang di umahon. Ayun na. And number 23, driving to the basket, pass to De Castro. De Castro, pull up, jump in, Sablay, and put back by number 23, Cabigon, Puto. Reyes, itinawid. Pass to Donas, open for 3. Bang! Donas for 3.
Galing yung Nonoy ngayon. May agiman.
Ayun na. Pass to Cabigon for 10 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. De Castro open. Ayun, pinasa pa. Miss yung tawag doon, natapon ng sabaw. Ayun na, Argaya, back to Reyes. Pass to Donas for 3. Sumablay, and rebound. Ayun na, De Castro, driving the ball. De Castro pa rin, angat, Sablay, Reyes for the rebound. And Reyes controlling the basket. Pass to Argaya. Ganda ng assist. And Sarte, tapikan. Agawan ng bola. 8. Santos, fake. At meron ng foul. Saglit lang, ta-time out sila. Foul number 14. Time out! Nursing Basketball, King Bahan.
Time out po natin. Nursing 17. Jupali 31. Score, Nursing 17, Jufali 31.
Okay, back to the ball game. Takin tayo palagi. Pinaalala ko ng kanina yan. 4-10 to shoot. Ayun, Reyes. Pass to Argaya. 10. Reyes for 3. Sumablay, Argaya for the rebound. Back to Reyes. And Reyes pull up. Jumper is good for 2. Coming from Reyes. Ayun na. And Cabigon itinawad. 4-10. May foul na. May foul na. Lagi niyong tatandaan, pag sumundot, tumabo man o hindi, pipito referee. Dominguez, second personal foul. First team foul. Ayun, nice defense coming from Sarte. Ayun, Di Castro. Offensive foul na dinawag kay Di Castro, number 24. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Dalawa na si Di Castro. Ayun na, Reyes. Pass Insigne. Pass Sarte. Parang may galit doon sa pinasahan. Ganun yun. Ganun yun. Pag may galit ka doon sa papasahan mo, ilalayo mo yung bola. Yung mauunat yung ugat. Ayun na. Number 11. Leading the ball. Paso Cabigon. Cabigon to Di Castro. Open. Kapos. Arcaya for the rebound. And Arcaya hinoy. And Cabigon dribbling the ball. Cabigon driving to the basket. Sablay. And Sidney dribbling the ball. Last touch. Ayun na, Reyes. Pass to Sarte. Back to Reyes. For three. Sumablay. Di Castro for the rebound. And Di Castro dribbling the ball. Pass to number 31. 4-10 to shoot. Bawi-bawi lang. Parang yung ganito kanina. Di ba? Quits na kayo ngayon. Quits na. Bawi-bawi lang. Quits na kayo. Ayun ang Reyes. Paso Dominguez. Insigne open. Turn around shot. Coming from Reyes. Sablay. And ayun, ang lupit ng offensive rebound na yun. Foul number 14. Substitution. Garcia, second personal foul. Substitution, palit-palit. Sarte out, Gazem in. Ayun, warning for penalty na. Warning for penalty. And 2 free throws for Mark Paul Dominguez. Ayun, pangalawang tiro sa fly. Galsim for the rebound. Nakaganda ng assist. And Sidney overshoots. And ikaw, nice steal coming from Reyes for 5 minutes and 35-17 ang ating score. Ayun na. And number 11, pull up is good. Ayun na, Torres. Dribbling the ball. Galsim open for 3. On the way, Sumablay. And number 7 dribbling the ball. Ayun, tapikan. Ayun, nagawa ng bola. And ganda ng assist. And Sidney for the putback. Ayun na. And number 11. Pasa Di Castro open. Ayun, ganda ng pasa. Ayun. And Sidney. Gumaganda depensa nila. And Sidney to Reyes open. Alam na this. Basket count coming from Reyes for 2. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Ayun na, bubukol ng dress. Sumablay. Ayun na, substitution, palit-palit. Reyes. Tukod na.
Siyempre.
Ano siya, dito siya.
Siyempre ayun na, Insigne. Itinawad. Paso Donas. Paso Dominguez. Dominguez, running shot is good for 2. Coming from Dominguez. Ayun na, passway play, Di Castro. And Di Castro angat at meron ng foul. Itinawag kay number 22. Pushing ball. Substitution. Galsing. And 2 free throws for De Castro. Unang tira sa fly. Last throw. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5. Score 41-19. Ayon sa fly, rebound. And Concepcion, sumablay, De Castro. Fake and bomb, sablay pa rin. And rebound, tapi ka nagawa ng bola yun na Torres, living the ball. Torres pa rin. Oy, ganda na kasi basket count coming from Nonoy Dones Bulter. Score 43-19. And pupukol ng dress. Bang! Concepcion for 3. And this sequence shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. Ayun na, Torres back to Galsim. For 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Torres. Pass to Dominguez. For 3. Sablay. Hoy! Galsim! Timeout! Wala na timeout. Wala na palang timeout. Good ball tayo. Nagamit na pala. Nagamit na. Wala na pala. Ayun na. Akalain mo, naglalakad lang, nakaka-rebound. May putback pa. Talaga naman. Ayun na, number 11, bubukol ng tres. Sumablay, Galsim for the rebound. Ayun na. And Signe. Pass to Dones. Dones. The veteran, sumablay. And Concepcion dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Sablay, rebound, tapikan, ayun na, Torres. Torres, pass to Galsim. And Galsim. Back to Dones. Dones. Ayun no. Basket count, going from Dones. Sumaside step pa. Palagay ko, hindi nagluto ng papaitan kanina to. Ayun, 2 minutes and 9. De Castro. 4-10. Meron ng foul. May foul na. Sa baba pa lang. Number 16. Dones. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Wala pang penalty. Wala pa. Third team foul pa lang. Substitution. Mike. Ayon, inbound violation. Inbound violation. Ayan na, Perilla. Dribbling the ball. Perilla pa rin, nakiraan, umangat, sablay. And De Castro, paso number 28. Natapon ang sabaw. And Perilla dribbling the ball. Ayan lang. Hoy, napaganda pa. Ayan na, Dones, fake. Dones passing, Signe, 3 seconds violation. One minute and 30 seconds remaining starting game clock. And De Castro receiving the basket. Ayan, good ball yan. Ayan na, Torres, 3-on-2 situation. Torres, pass to Perilla. And agawa ng bola. Concepcion. Supply. And Signe for the rebound. Pass to Perilla. Perilla. Pass to Dones. Pass to Torres. Bonjour. Aziz coming from Dones. Ayan na, Fernando. Pass to De Castro. At meron ng foul on check. Number 41, and Sydney. Time out, Jupali.
Nursing 22, Jufali 48. 49, Jufali 49.
Kaya Malis o Medini. Malis. Mag-coach ka na lang. Ayon, Di Castro. Unang tira pasok. Kababayan ko to, si Di Castro, taga Bulacan 55.5 seconds remaining, starting game clock. And this is battle between Nursing Basketball King Pahan versus Jupali. Ayon, 100% shooting from the free throw line coming from De Castro. Ayon na, Dones. Saving the ball. Dones, ganda ng assist. Perilla, pass to George. Calcem, Portre. Sumablay. And Concepcion, pass to De Castro. De Castro dribbling the ball. De Castro angat. Basket down. Coming from De Castro. 30 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Ayan na, Torres. Pass to Insigne. 14 to shoot. Pass to Galsim. Another one on the way. Galsim! Portre. 12 seconds remaining. 10. 7. 4. Ayan na, Portre, Sablay, and that's the end of the second quarter. Score 52-26, kalahati ang lamang. The ball game, this is our third quarter. Bola ng pula, depensa ang block, bola ng pula,
Third quarter
depensa ang
naman
block.
tayo. Labang po ang Jupali, 52-26. Score po natin, 52-26.
Ayun na, Kabigon. Ayun, still coming from Torres. Uy, still coming from Maliksi. Oh, pass to Torres. And basket count coming from Torres. Will time out. Nothing. Basketball King Pond. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayun na. Di pa nakalanding.
Ito pa lang. Tulog ka muna. 2 quarter pa yan.
Ayun na. Malaysia. Take. Nauna ang trouble bago nag-lane. Substitution. Ayun na, Kabigon number 23, drill the ball. Paso Concepcion. Traveling violation. Ayun na, Torres. Paso Santos. Benigario open. Benigario pull up, jumper, supply. Ayun na, tapikan. Good ball yan. And number 11 doing the ball. Foul. May foul tayo. Sumabit. Foul number 23. Santos. First personal foul. First team foul. Nang tiro sa blind, Lastro. Ayan, sa blind, ayun na. Concepcion, dribbling the ball. Stand to shoot. 5. Kabigon. Ayun na, pupukol ng 3. Good ball yan, tumama sa ring. Santos, pass to Maliksi. And 4-3 situation. Maliksi. Pass to Argaya, Torres, open. Take, ayun. Ng itlog. Ang kulay ng itlog niya, brown. Kabigon receiving the basket. Pass to Di Castro. Is still coming from Torres. And Torres driving the ball. Pass to Maliksi. Ayun. Substitution. Torres. Substitution. Ronald. Oy, diyan ka lang. Substitution. Okay na ba? Ayun ang Reyes. Nanghawi ka. Bababa ka na. Foul number 21, Argaya. Ayun na. And Soriano driving the ball. Paso Cabigon, back to Soriano. Paso Di Castro. Pushing foul na tinawag. Kay number 18, Sarte. Time out, Jupali.
Score po natin, Jopale 62, Narsing 28. Narsing 28. Jopale 62. Third quarter na po to, third quarter.
Baseline, nagkaroon pushing foul. Walang off shooting doon.
Jopale 62, Narsing
Andrew, usok ng konti.
26,
Yun.
Narsing. Jopale
And Dones for
62.
the steal.
Third quarter.
Ayun, naitawid. Ayun na, Sarte open. And Sarte! Boso! Iba talaga pag nakakadyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, bumibilis tumakbo. Ayun na, Di Castro. Oy, di sinasadya, malis. Di sinasadya.
Bulong mo na kay Jason. Wala pa tayong print out ng second game. Wala pa tayong print out ng second game. Madedelay na naman tayo.
Ayun na, Dones for 3. Bang! Dones for 3. And this even shot is brought to you by Cabigon Paso Concepcion. And Concepcion for 3. Sumablay Reyes for the rebound. Reyes, ayun na. Still coming from Concepcion. And Soriano dribbling the ball. Paso Concepcion, Paso Di Castro. 14. Ayun na, Concepcion for 3. Bang! Concepcion for 3. And 5 minutes and 14 seconds remaining starting game clock. Reyes, pass to Santos. Pupukol ng 3. Bang! Santos for 3. Aro, pumupukol ng 3. Ayun na, Di Castro.
Shot clock, Lloyd.
14 to shoot. Ayun na, Di Castro, ganda ng assist. And meron ng foul. Na itinawag kay number 18. Sarte. Substitution. Balit. Thrower yung papalitan. Okay. Okay, upo ka muna idol. May upuan dyan. Huwag kang mahiya. Yung nakaupo, palisin mo. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Lastro. Ayun, Sablay, Sante for the rebound. And Sante pass to Reyes. Reyes saving the ball. Ayun. Reyes pa rin. Ayun na. Last touch pa. Substitution. 4 minutes 38 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Score 70-29. Ayun na, Dones. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, Di Castro. And Di Castro dribbling the ball. Ayun na, bitiwan, Reyes. Pass to Dones. And Dones. Sumablay. Santos for the offensive rebound. Good ball yan. 8. 5. Sarte for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Di Castro. Dribbling the ball. And De Castro pa rin, bubuelo, and 1. Basket count, foul number 18, Sarte. Third personal foul, and bonus shot for De Castro. Bonus shot. Wait for the release. Wait for the release. Sa mga nagugutom dyan, meron pong special barbecue. Meron ding halo-halo. At syempre, meron tayong Jollibee and Chowking. Ayan o, sablay. Oh, matik violation dito mama sa ring. At syempre, meron din tayong paninda dito kala Nonoy Dones dito sa Gedli. At yung mga gustong magkape. At saka, ano ba at paninda nyo? May chicharon ba kayo? Oo. Ito, no? Ito. Santos.
Pag i-display mo lang, hindi ka makakabenta.
Ayun ang Reyes. Paso. Dominguez open. Basket down. Coming from Dominguez. Porto. Oh. Ayun na. Fabian. Paso Concepcion. 10. Concepcion for 3. Sablay. And... Oh. Ayun na, Reyes. Tinawid. Pass to Insigne. Back to Reyes. Pass to Dones. Dones for 3. Bang! Dones for 3. And this shot is brought to you by Gandor, our major sponsor. Ayun na. 4-10 to shoot. Roque. Ayan, number 14, pull up is good for 2. Reyes, pass to Dones. Back to Insigne. 14, ayun na, Reyes, turn around shot. It's good for 2, coming from Reyes. Roque tinawid. Paso sa John. Ayun na. Ayun, erase. Substitution, palit-palit. Number 7. Number 7, Concepcion out. And De La Cruz in. .8 to shoot. Ayun na, De La Cruz open. Pass Roque. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, Sarte, yun. And Dones, dribble the ball. Dones pa rin. Dones, side-stepping move is good for 2, coming from Dones. Ayun na, De La Cruz, dribble the ball. Pass Roque. Fabian open. Ayun, pinasa pa. 10, Roque. 5. Roque for 3. That's 24 seconds shot clock expires. Ayun na, Reyes. Pass to Sarte. Pass to Dones. For 3. Sumablay, rebound, Fabian. Ayun, napunta ulit kay Dones. Pinukol ng 3. Sablay. And De La Cruz driving the ball. Ayan. Ayun lang. Na-stealan pa. Ayun na, Insigne. Back to Reyes. And Reyes for 2. Assist coming from Insigne. Ayan, Sablay, rebound, tapikan, Insigne. For the rebound, pass to Dominguez. Dominguez, ayun, still coming from Fabian.
Pasok ng bao. Ay po na yung balaan mo yun.
Oh.
Okay, kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan!
49.7 seconds remaining. Insigne pass to Reyes open. Sumablay. And De La Cruz for the rebound. And De La Cruz leaving the ball. Ayun, number 28, angat, Sablay, Dominguez, ayun na. Pass to Dones.
90.
Ayun lang. Nabitiwan. Ayun na. 24. At, ilan seconds? 10 seconds. 17, sorry. 12. Ayun, De La Cruz. Dones for 3. Bang! And that's the end of the third quarter.
Nursing 38, Juvali 84. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Walang umay versus Amir Pawas.
Our next game for tonight, battle between Team Walang Umay versus Amir Pawas.
Careful yan, kaya ka ma-check yan eh.
Nalalaman, nakialam.
Ayun na, Fernando receiving the basket. Concepcion, pass to Soriano. Soriano angat, Sablay, rebound, nagawa ng bola, De Castro, pull up, Sablay, and Galzim for the rebound. Pass to Santos, pass to Maliksi. Back to Santos. For 10 to shoot. Maliksi for 3. Bang! Maliksi for 3. Ayun na, Fernando driving the ball. Ganda ng assist ayun. Last chance, Argaya. Mabilis lang yan. Ayun na, Soriano. Uy, lumusod pa. Ayun na, Perilla. Oh, nice defense coming from Cabigon number 23. Pass to Di Castro. And Di Castro. Ganda ng assist. Oh, at meron ng foul. Naitinaw again number 23. Santos second personal foul and Soriano shooting 2. Nang tira pasok ay Brown Soriano. Last throw. Ayan po, yung mga nagugutom dyan. Meron po tayong available na Jollibee boot. Ayun, may paninda po sila. At saka Chowking. And rebound Fernando. Fernando pa rin. 10. Soriano for 3. Sumablay. Galzim for the rebound. Pass to Maliksi. And Maliksi pass to Santos. Angat. Bang! Santos for 3. Akalain mo yun. Pag sobrang buenas, wala tayong magagawa doon. May foul na. And number 12, Maliksi. First personal foul. Second team foul.
I-check ko na yun, ma'am. Tawagan kita.
Ayun na, Fernando, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Back to Fernando, pass to De Castro. De Castro fake. And 1. Foul number 3. Basket count. No. And bonus shot for De Castro. Basket coming from De Castro. 7 minutes and 37 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And Darilla driving the ball. Pass to Maliksi. Back to Guerrilla. For 10. And Maliksi for 3. Supply. Fernando for the rebound. Ayun na. And Capricorn driving the ball. Ayun. Foul number 23. Capricorn. Capricorn first personal foul. First team foul. Ayun na. Maliksi. Pasok al Sem. For 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Perilla. Supply. And rebound. Tapigan na ako ni Argaya. Calcim. Supply. Perilla. Yun na. Fernando dribbling the ball. And Fernando Coren. Ang sumablay. Santos for the rebound. And Santos dribbling the ball. Pass to Argaya. Argaya lays it in. Erase. And De Castro dribbling the ball. De Castro Coren. And De Castro ang and 1. Basket count. Foul number 12. Bonus shot for De Castro. Maliksi, second personal foul. Second. Nangano ko, meron mo 7. Graduate na hindi na palang. Bonus shot. Ang basket coming from De Castro. He scored 90-42. And Maliksi, tinawid. Pass to Argaya. Pass to Calcim. Another 3 on the way. Bang! Calcim! For 3. Aba, wala talaga. Hindi pa kumukupas yung 3 points kagabi. Ayun na, De Castro. 14. Ayun na, De Castro. At meron ng foul. Ay dinawag. Kay number 23. Santos, penalty. Penalty. Santos, third personal foul. Nandito pasok kami from De Castro. Lastro. Ayun na. And Fernando for the rebound. Pass to De Castro. 10. Ayun, nabitiwan. And Santos pass to Calcim. Calcim back to Santos for 3. And Sublime, Fernando for the rebound. And Fernando, still coming from Argaya. Pass to Calcim. Calcim, the running shot. Technical. Technical foul na dinawag. Ayos po. Nakataas yung pa. Akala niya nandun siya sa supa. Akala niya kasi nandun siya sa supa. Kaya tinaas pa. Oo, ayun, substitution. Substitution, palit-palit. Substitution. Oo. Isa lang yan, isa lang. Plus ball possession, siyempre. Isa lang yan, ball possession. Ball possession, doon ang bola sa kabila. Sa backcourt yung bola, backcourt. Yun. Backcourt ang bola niyan. Di maiwat yung nag-free throw. Ayun na, Fernando. Pasok Kabigon, ganda ng assist. Pasok Kabigon, ayun. Meron pala nun. Basket count. Meron pala nun. 5 minutes 18. Maligse. 18 na wad. 14 to shoot. Perilla. Paso Argaya. Argaya for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na. Perilla for the rebound. Rebound ko to. Tira ko to. And Argaya. And backing na. Backing na. Tama naman yung rebound niya, tira niya, di ba? Siya nagsikap eh. Alam ka namang rebound niya, natira pa ng iba. Di ba? Ayun na, Fernando. Paso di Maiwat. Paso di Castro. Ayun, Fernando. Ganda ng assist. And number 11, pull up. Is good. Coming from Di Maiwat for 2. And Perilla taking the ball. Timeout daw sila mamaya. And shot for 3. Bang! Timeout! Nothing. Basketball King Bahan.
Nursing,
Ganun talaga pagkabuenas.
95.
Daig pa sinusuwerte. Back to the ball game. Di bali, ayaw niyo na? Abang lamang kayo. Mayon na kayo. 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And Concepcion, Paso Di Castro. 4-10. Di Castro taking the ball. Paso Di Maiwat. And Di Maiwat. Turn around shot, Sablay. Ayan, tabikan, Santos, fake. Pass to Argaya. Argaya, pass break, pass to Maliksi. Maliksi for 3. Boom! Maliksi for 3. Sabi ko sa inyo. Pagka yung Buenas, pag Benuenas, daig pa yung sinusuwerte. Sobra naman. Kahit anong boga, pasok. Ayun, Di Castro, driving the ball. Ganda ng assist. And number 14 is good for 0. Garcia. Ayun na, Santos. Paso Guerrilla. 14 to shoot. 10. And pupukol ng 3. Sabi ko sa inyo. Ayun. Di Castro driving the ball. And Di Castro pa rin. Ayun, zigzagging. Sumablay. Santos for the rebound. And Santos driving the ball. Pass to Argaya. Argaya, pass to Guerrilla. Pupukol. Basket count. Sa wakas. Nakadali din. And Di Maiwat driving the ball. 14 to shoot. Concepcion, pass to Di Castro. 10. And Santos. At meron ng foul na tinawag kay Concepcion. Substitution, palit-palit.
Pahinga ka na, boy. Pahinga ka muna, boy.
Bola!
Ayun ang Virilla. Paso Maliksi. 4-10 to shoot. 10. Virilla. Paso Arcaya. Yun. Shot clock 6. 6 to shoot. Ayun ang Sarte. Paso Santos. Arcaya por 3. Bang! Arcaya por 3. Akalain mo talaga yun. Yung Buenas, tuloy-tuloy. Ayun, di may what. For 3. Sumablay, rebound De La Cruz. And De La Cruz driving the ball. 8 to shoot. Ayun na, pupukol ng 3. Sablay, rebound, tabigan. Oh, last touch. 12.3 to shoot. 1 minute 59 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Oh, ingat-ingat na lang. Commanding lead na yan. Oh, ingat-ingat na lang. Ayun na, De La Cruz, 4-3. Sumablay, put back by number 11, Di Maywat. It's good for 0. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining. Ayun na. And Santos, pass to Maliksi, 4-3. Bang! Maliksi, 4-3. Talaga naman hanggang dulo. Oh, butas palagi. Oh, 1 minute 27. And number 28, lumabas ba? Oh, and 1. Oh. At ng basket count, foul number 18, Sarte. Fourth personal foul. Bonus shot.
Twice the picture.
Ayun basket kami from number 28. Ayun na. 1 minute 17. Virilla.
Score pa natin, Jopale, 107.
Paso Arcaya. Paso Sarte. Open for 3. Sumablay. And De La Cruz. Ayun, Sablay, rebound. Meron pang foul na tinawag kay number 21. Penalty ang penalty. Last 51.4 seconds. Unang tira Sablay. Last draw. Ayan, Sablay pa rin. De La Cruz. Sumablay. May foul from behind. Number 14. Foul yung kakampi mo, yung Garcia. From behind. Ayan na, Virilla. Paso Arcaya. Back to Virilla. Virilla driving the ball. Pass to Sarte. Back to Virilla. Ayun na, Maliksi. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound by number 14, Garcia. And driving the ball. Ayun, number 11, Di Maywat. Pass to number 14, Garcia. Sumablay. Maliksi. 18 seconds. Ayun na, Virilla. Nakialam. Sumablay. And 8. Sablay, rebound, 5. Pwede pa yung si John. Ayun na. That's it. 107-58. 7-8. Iyak yung may taya ng 7-5.
Ano po, Jopale.
Utang ina si Agustin! Nakaisang bakante!
Ayun.